Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I initially started filming this video outside in my garden. It's a gorgeous day. I thought it would make a nice change, but then someone decided to start chopping down trees, which is not good. So we've come back in the house now and thankfully you can't hear anything, which is really good. So I've got the September Glossybox Beauty Box. It's a subscription box. It costs £13.50 a month. It has a value of £62 and it contains 5 full-size items. If you'd like to subscribe for yourself, I do have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box on a monthly rolling subscription. But also there is a 25% off code as well, which you can take out if you decide to go for a 12-month subscription. You find all those links, all those codes, and also a link to the Glossybox advent calendar waitlist, which I'm going to be collaborating on again this year. So you'll be seeing the full unboxing on my channel in the next week or two. And down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to the website. So you're welcome to take a look. Everyone receives a little bag this month. Normally we just have the products in the disposable box. But yeah, so a handy little makeup bag there. Give you a little sneak peek. Some are wrapped up. We always get a QR code to scan because it's not the 1st of September yet. I can't scan it because it'll show me the August box. If you really love what I'm showing you in this video, if you subscribe now, your first box will be the August box and then you'll go on to receive the September box. So if you don't want the August box, just wait until the 1st and then subscribe from then. The QR codes, the information will change the 1st of September onwards and it just gives you extra information about the products in the box. But the theme this month is September Secrets. Starting off, we have got, this is Glow Core Slick. Glow Core Slick. Oh, it's a lip glow oil. I haven't heard of this brand before. This is something new for me. If you've heard of it, let me know. You might be able to hear my dogs behind me. They always follow me everywhere. And I've got wood floors so you can hear their tippy toes. I love a lip oil. This reminds me of Pixie. It's a slightly rosy tint glow. Oh my gosh, you can really see my grey in this video. Oh, whoa. That is, wow, that is really grey, isn't it? Oh my gosh. I'm dyeing my hair in a week and a half. Yeah, I love a lip oil. I prefer a lip oil to a lip gloss. I do wear lip glosses, but I prefer lip oils. And this is nice actually, because the lipstick I've got on is a matte one, because I don't know if it will transfer. I'll just put a load on my hand there and just tap it on my lips. This is what I normally do with lip oils. I put them on really long lasting, don't budge, matte lipstick. So when you get to a certain age like myself, it's more flattering really to go for more of a glowy lip as opposed to full-on matte. Well, it depends, I suppose. It depends if you've got amazing thick lips. I haven't. I do contemplate filler, but I am scared of it. I just think that it'll just go wrong and I will hate it, or I look like a duck, or yeah, I just haven't got the confidence to do that. But you never know. I'm not opposed to it. But yeah, this feels nice. I didn't even smell it. I'm talking too much and I am getting distracted. No smell. Not that I expected it. But yeah, I like that. Nice little handy lip oil. Feels nice on the lips by Glow Core. Then we've got a return of a beauty box favourite. We saw Dr. Pawpaw doing the rounds many years ago. I'm trying to think now. I've been on YouTube since 2017. It's a long time. And I'm sure we were getting Dr. Pawpaw not long after that. There's lots of different variations of the Dr. Pawpaw multi-purpose balm. This is my favourite because it's clear. It could be used on anything really. Your hair, your face, your nails, dry feet, ankles, knees I meant. You can put it on your ankles if you want to. But yeah, it's the Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm with natural pawpaw, multi-use moisturising and soothing, fragrance-free and vegan, suitable for eczema-prone skin, and there's 25 mils here. This is a really handy product to have. Whenever I receive them, I keep them in my bathroom cabinet, so then the kids or my husband and I can just dip in and use it whenever we need to. For me personally, I use it for cuticles. I've got horrific cuticles, really dry, and they're always dry, and I'm using oils all the time. I suspect it's because I've got a load of bloody hormonal problems and thyroid and all that, so yeah, I do suffer with my nails, hence thick ones all the time. But yeah, my cuticles and my skin is always quite dry. But yeah, this is a good one. A friend of mine even uses it on her eyelids. She's got really dry, sore eyelids, as you can see there. It's clear. Yeah, as you'd imagine, a multi-purpose clear balm to be. So there's that. Next we've got Bioma. This is sensitive retinol oil, barrier lipids, vitamin A and squalene, boosted barrier, better skin. And there's 30 mils there. This is a really, really nice brand. I love the cleansers, what I've tried, and I haven't tried this one, so I'm trying to see if there's extra information. A soothing retinol with barrier lipids. Can you hear tippy tappies again? Dog. Ideal for first-time users or those with sensitive skin. It improves the appearance of fine lines, blemishes and pores, and uneven tone and texture while strengthening the skin's barrier. Sounds really, really nice. I have actually found my tretinoin cream. I bought it, I think from Turkey, on a website I can't even remember, a few years ago, but it's still in date. On the side of my bed, I've got a shelving unit and I just had a proper clear out and I got rid of a load of things. And yeah, I found it there. So I've just started using it now. So maybe this could be something to use in between those times. So I'm still having light vitamin A, but with all the protection and barrier support of this oil. I'm gonna have to look into it. I don't want to overdo it. So what is wrapped up then? Got St. Lux, another brand that we used to see many years ago and I haven't seen for a long time. This is a highlighter in rose quartz. It was really hard to open. I was terrified my nails are just gonna go pinging their stick-on ones. So that's the colour. It looks nice. Okay. There. Even though I've wiped my hands, I've probably still got a bit of the balm underneath. Let's try it on my other hand, which I haven't applied anything. There. It's nice. A nice glowy highlighter from St. Lux. Although it doesn't look like a full-size product, does it? I don't know how much it's worth. There's no information in the emails I've received about this box or anything like that. It reminds me of a NARS bronzer, you know, the Laguna bronzers that we get sometimes, this sort of size, and they are samples. So that's what it reminds me of. But obviously it's a full-size product, but it doesn't look like one. But then you only need a tiny bit, so it will last you a while. I wonder how much that cost. And then lastly, we have got a mirror and it says Glossybox on it. Ooh, this is a close-up mirror. Ooh, you can see me. And then that's the normal one then with my ditty fingerprints on. I do like these mirrors. I've got a few of them from different beauty boxes and brands and I do keep them. I just think they look smart and they're just handy and they always come on holiday with me. So these are all the products in the September Glossy box. Come in this beige bag. And we've got a lip oil, we've got a highlighter, we've got a mirror, we've got a retinol oil, and we've got a multi-purpose balm as well. They're all full size and they have a value of £62 between them. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of them? The standout product for me is the Bioma oil there. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think. If you're a subscriber, looking forward to getting this in September, or you're just watching just to see what's inside, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. I have got a fragrance advent calendar coming next. You could probably guess which one it is, so that should be up maybe tomorrow, hopefully.